Most people watching this right now have exactly one income stream, one job, one paycheck, one single source of everything. And if that one thing disappears tomorrow, everything stops. The rent, the groceries, the car, the life, all of it, gone. Right now, 60% of Americans say they would be in serious financial trouble within 30 days of losing their job. Not because they are lazy, not because they do not work hard, because nobody ever taught them that one income stream is not a plan. It's a gamble. Marcus learned this the hard way. $47,000 a year, South Side Chicago, a job he showed up to every single day. And one Tuesday afternoon, he watched his company walk 7 people out of the building with a box of their things. He still had his job, but something changed in him that day. He realized his entire life was sitting on one single wire, and if that wire broke, he had nothing. 0 savings worth counting, 0 backup, 0 plan. He was 30 years old. He had no startup capital, no investors, no rich family, no experience building anything outside of a 9-to-5. And in the next 36 months, he built 3 income streams from absolute zero. This video is going to show you exactly how he did it, step by step. No theory, no fluff, just the exact path. Before we get into the 3 streams, you need to understand the rules Marcus set for himself. Because most people who try to build extra income fail in the first 90 days, not because the idea was wrong, because they started without these rules. Rule 1, no debt to start. If a side hustle needs a loan to launch, it is not a side hustle. It is a liability with extra steps. Rule 2, time before money. In the beginning, you are going to trade time for skill, not for cash. Most people quit here. They want income immediately. The people who actually build wealth invest the first 6 to 12 months learning before they ever see a dollar. Rule 3, every income stream must eventually grow without Marcus. This is the hardest one, because most people build a second job and call it a business. Marcus wanted income that could survive a Tuesday where he chose to do nothing. These 3 rules were the foundation of everything that came next. Income Stream 1, digital content. Marcus was not a writer, not a filmmaker, not a social media expert. He was a guy from the South Side of Chicago who had figured out something about money that almost nobody around him ever had. And he asked himself one honest question. What do I know that someone else desperately needs to know? He opened a free account on a platform that was growing fast, and he started writing. Not about his personal life, not about his opinions on the world, about money, in plain language for regular Americans who felt completely lost with their finances. The first post got 11 views. He did not care. He posted again the next week, and again. For 4 months, Marcus created content 3 times a week. No income, no followers worth mentioning, no one telling him he was doing the right thing, just the work. In month 5, something shifted. One post reached people, not millions, but enough people clicked that a small financial software company reached out to him. They wanted to place a link inside one of his posts. $40. He laughed when he saw the email. Then he replied yes anyway, because $40 was not the point. The proof was the point. Someone was willing to pay him for the audience he had quietly built. Over the next 6 months, Marcus learned everything he could about monetizing content, affiliate programs, sponsorships, digital products. Here is the number that puts this in perspective. The average American household spends over $5,000 every single year on financial products and services alone. Tax software, investing apps, insurance, budgeting tools. Every single one of those companies has an affiliate program. They will pay you for every person you send their way. By month 12, Marcus was earning $800 a month from his content, not from going viral, from being consistent. And here's the part that changes how you see this forever. The post Marcus wrote on a random Wednesday night is still earning money right now. It does not clock out, it does not call in sick, it does not ask for a raise. It just works. While he sleeps, while he's at his actual job, while he's living his life. That is not extra income. That is an asset. Income stream 2. Dividend investing. This one takes the longest to feel, but it is the most powerful of the three. Here is how dividends work in plain English. You buy a share of a company. That company makes money. And instead of keeping all of that profit, they share a portion of it directly with their shareholders 4 times a year, like a paycheck. Except you never had to show up to earn it. The average dividend yield on established American blue chip stocks sits between 2 and 5% annually. That means if you own $50,000 in dividend stocks, you could be receiving between $1,000 and $2,500 a year just for holding them. Now, I know exactly what you were thinking. Marcus did not have $50,000, so here's what he actually did. He started with $200 a month, not in one single stock. He put it into a dividend ETF, a fund that holds dozens of dividend-paying American companies at once. Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, Realty Income, companies that have paid dividends without stopping for longer than Marcus had been alive. Month 1, $200 in. Month 6, $1,200 total. His first dividend payment arrived, $3.42. He took a screenshot. Not because $3 changes your life, because a company he had never walked into, never applied to, never interviewed at, had just sent him money. That is the moment it stops being theory. That is the moment it becomes real. Now here's the math that changes everything. If Marcus put $200 a month into a dividend ETF starting at age 30, averaging a 7% annual return, by age 55, he would have over $160,000 invested, generating somewhere between $3,000 and $8,000 a year in passive dividend income alone. Not a fantasy. This is how ordinary Americans build extraordinary wealth. Not by winning, by showing up $200 at a time. And here's the truth that nobody in most neighborhoods ever says out loud. The wealthy are not richer because they earn bigger dividends. They're richer because they started earlier. Every year you wait is a year of compounding you never get back. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is tonight.
Income stream 3. Skill-based services. This is the fastest one to start, and the most underestimated by far. Here is something that should stop you cold. The median hourly rate for a freelance financial consultant in America right now is between $75 and $150 an hour. A freelance copywriter, between $50 and $125. A social media manager, between $40 and $100. A graphic designer with a solid portfolio, between $60 and $135. These are real numbers, real people earning them right now. Most of them started with nothing more than a laptop and a skill they already had. Marcus looked at what he'd been building. He understood personal finance better than almost anyone his age. He could break down money concepts in plain language. So he put together one simple document. 30 minutes free financial clarity session, no charge. He shared it in 3 community Facebook groups around Chicago. No ads, no website, no logo, no business cards. Within 7 days, he had 11 people asking to talk. He did every single session for free. Not because he was generous, because he was smart. Every free session showed him exactly what people were struggling with. He was getting paid in information. Month 2, he started charging $40 for 30 minutes. Month 4, $75. Month 6, he was running 4 sessions a week at $100 each, $1,600 a month, part-time, around his 9 to 5, around Sarah, around everything else in his life. But here is the most important part of this income stream. It funded everything else. The content creation needed small tools, software subscriptions. The dividend investing needed consistent monthly deposits to compound correctly. The service income was the engine that made the other two possible. And it taught Marcus something nobody had said to him before. Your skills are already worth money. Most people are sitting on an income stream they have never thought to charge for because nobody ever told them they could.
Here is what nobody shows you. The real power is not in having 3 income streams. The real power is in how they feed each other. The content income funded the dividend investments. The dividend investments grew while Marcus slept. The service income created immediate cash and funded better tools that grew the content faster. 3 streams, all moving at once, all feeding each other. By month 24, Marcus had built what financial experts call a flywheel. The more he created, the more his audience grew. The more his audience grew, the more service clients found him. The more service income came in, the more he invested in dividends. The more dividends compounded, the closer he got to the day his money worked harder than he did. Right now, in America, the top 1% does not have 10 times more income streams than you. They have 2 or 3 more, and they started earlier. That is the entire advantage. Not genius, not luck, not family money, just more streams started sooner.
Today, Marcus still lives in Chicago, still has his 9 to 5. But here is what changed. He does not need it, and that changes everything. When you do not need the job, you stop fearing it. When you stop fearing the job, you start showing up differently. Freedom changes you, even before you're fully free. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, tonight, open your Notes app. Write down one skill you already have, something someone else would pay for, something you could teach, something you do faster or better than most people around you. Write it down. Then drop it in the comments. Because someone watching this right now is looking for exactly that skill, and they're willing to pay for it. If this video gave you something real today, subscribe to Better Path HQ. Because every single week, we are going to keep showing you the exact steps that the people around you never figured out. Your 3 streams start with one decision. Make it tonight.